election, and you don't need to wait 11 days for that. It was obvious immediately what was going on. Because, and on top of that, he gave this awful rhetoric in the first place that Sean highlighted. Now he's done a huge change, and he won't even admit that he changed.
Let me ask you why, because Newt Gingrich answered the question tonight on this program. Well, no, but he reminded us, if you go back, Lech Walesa in the Solidarity movement in Poland, and Sharansky, and all these freedom fighters, remember, all these people that are protesting in the streets of Iran, every one of them is risking their lives, like that 26-year-old woman that was shot dead, bleeding in the streets of Iran, because she believed in freedom. The more we learned about her story, she knew that a single bullet could end her life, but the instinct of the human soul is to be free. And that's why it means something.
There's no reform movement that I can think of in recent history, I mean going back a few hundred years, that has survived without the West stepping in fairly strongly. And in this case, the French got out ahead of us by a week. I think that's pretty corollary to that. I think that everybody who cares about this, as we all do, has to be conscious of is that, in fact, the West will not intervene. So those people who, as you quite rightly point out, are risking their lives, you don't want, which has happened in past situations we can all think of, to mislead them into believing that America will be there in a way that America cannot be there if its government, in fact, simply represses these protests and have to live with this government.
But the opposite of that is, does America stand on core principles or not? And those people holding up English signs, who are they trying to appeal?
I think we do stand on those core principles. I completely agree with you.
Are you saying that the people in Iran heard his speech in Cairo and they were already building up to that?